babies, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Esther, and you guys, before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when your girl uploads. So in today's video, you guys, I created this beautiful gold look. I've seen a lot of people do this already, but I wanted to do it on myself. Okay? I wanted to see how it's gonna look, and I am so in love with this look. It is New Year's, so you guys know New Year's, we have to play with glitter, okay? I have to dip my little fingers in glitter, and I definitely achieved that today. And I used a palette, okay? I have to show you guys. The Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. Y'all, it has this glitter right here. Okay, and I'm just amazed. I wasn't gonna use this palette, honestly, because I wanted to do another look, but not use this palette. But because I couldn't find my glitter glue, I'm so glad I had this palette. So yeah, you guys, it is New Year's, and just thank God for making it this far. I'm excited. 2020 is officially here, and I hope you guys have amazing goals that y'all want to achieve this year. It's another year, it's another blessing, and always thank God for all the things that He gives you and all the blessings that He's going to bless you with for the year of 2020. And I hope you guys are going to get blessed tremendously and continue to live a long life, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. You guys already know I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright, my babies, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna grab my ColourPop Brow Boss eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm just filling them bad boys in like so. And I'm also going to take just the normal routine. You guys should know my normal brow routine, a dark brown powder, and I got this at my local brow place where I used to go to get my brows done. So this just fills in all the little empty spots that my brow pencil did not do. You don't have to do this steps. This is just what I do and what I prefer. So now I'm gonna grab a concealer, and this is the ColourPop concealer. Not sure what shade this is, but I will let you guys know in the description box. And I'm just going to clean up my brows with this concealer like so. I haven't used a ColourPop concealer in such a long time, so I decided to do that in this tutorial. And now I am going to just go ahead and grab my Milk Makeup Serum, and I'm just gonna work this all over my face because I washed my skin. It was clean and fresh. I wanted something else to put on top for my moisturizer, so this was going to work for my moisturizer for today. So after that, I'm gonna grab my Milk Makeup Cooling Eye Gel, and I'm going too fast. I'm just gonna work this all over my eyes, underneath my eyes and stuff like that. This does work. It's amazing. It feels so good. It does feel very cooling and just nice underneath your eyes, and just smooth this underneath your eyes like so. And you guys know I always do like eye cream or anything like that before I start my makeup looks. It's just something that I prefer to do because of the concealer, and I want everything to go on so smooth. So now I'm gonna grab my Too Faced primer like this. Y'all, this is my hands down favorite primer. I took a break from it because I bought like 3 and literally used the whole entire thing. Now this is the 4th one that I have. It's not a cheap primer, so I try to stay away from it as much as possible. I use it when it's like special occasions. So now I'm gonna grab my NARS foundation. Okay, now this is the Natural Radiance Foundation in the shade Macao. Now they came out with like a mini, and that's the mini one. It's so freaking cute, and I just love NARS foundation. I haven't used it in such a long time. You guys remember, if you've watched me for a while, I used to use NARS foundation like a lot. I took a break from it because obviously there's so much more makeup in this whole entire world to test out and play with, so that's why I took a break from it. But now I am back with it, and oh my gosh, I'm so glad I used it in this makeup tutorial because my foundation was so flawless. I mean, at the end of this look, you guys are gonna see how beautiful and just airbrush this foundation makes my skin look. Like, if you have not yet tried this, try it out, okay? Try it out. So now I'm gonna grab my ColourPop concealer in the shade dark 40, and I'm just going to conceal all the points that that you should conceal when you do a makeup look. And y'all, I have been loving putting concealer underneath my nose and on top of my lip. Like, that's just a thing for me. I don't know, some people don't go that far, but in my opinion, I think you should, because you want to balance, you know, your whole entire makeup look. But I'm gonna also highlight my forehead and underneath my chin like so. And I haven't done this in a long time, time, but I want my contour to pop because, hello, it's New Year, sis. It's New Year's, okay? New year, new me, period. So this just helps my contour pop a lot more, looks snatched like money, okay? And I'm just going to blend all of that in like so with a damped beauty blender. Make sure your beauty blender is damped. I don't know. It makes your job a lot easier, sis. Okay, when a beauty blender is not damped, that is such a tongue twister. It is so much tougher, I feel like. So I'm just blending everything all in, and don't worry, I know I look so much brighter, but hey, it's okay. I'm going to contour. Everything's just going to come back to life after I do all of this step. So after blending that all in, I'm also going to take the same brush that I used to apply my foundation to blend everything in again, okay? Because that line is not cute. Y'all gonna see that line, but it's going to fade away once I use the brush that I used to apply my foundation, and it's going to tone down that concealer. Boom, honey, boom, makeup, the power of makeup, okay? So now I'm going to contour with the same concealer, different shade. I forgot which shade this is, but I promise you guys it will be in the description box, so check that out. And I'm just going to contour, make everything look slim or whatever. Y'all know this is like my favorite part of my face is just to contour. I don't know, it just makes my whole face look slimmer and my big head look a lot more slimmer, okay? And I just love it. So I'm also going to contour my nose like so. Y'all, I have become like the champ of contouring my nose. I remember when I just never really cared to do that, and once I started doing it, I was like kind of spectacle about it. Now I be killing it, honey. I be killing it. I be just shoop, contour this, snatch this nose for y'all. So now I am blended everything all in like so, and y'all see what I mean? Like just contouring, bronzing up my face, warms up my face. Like it just looks so good. It makes everything look just amazing. And y'all, let me tell y'all about this brush. This brush is the bomb diggity when it comes to contouring your nose. Like it makes your contour just all the way snatched, okay? If I find where I got that brush from, I will link it in the description box. So now it is time to set where I conceal, and I'm grabbing my all-time favorite setting powder in the shade Translucent, and this is Laura Mercier. Love this stuff. This is a bomb powder. I feel like everybody and their mama should know about this powder, but in case you still have not tried it out, I would advise you to get your hands on it because it's money. It's going to make your setting powder look nice, and it's going to set into your skin really, really nice. I like this Translucent. They have other shades, but the other shades are way too the other one is way too dark. So now I'm going to grab my KYLIE Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Tawny Mami, and I'm just going to set where I contoured. Okay, so some people feel like you don't need to do this step if you've already contoured your face. In my opinion, it's a huge step. You should do this because it blends everything in with the contour, and it sets your contour really nice, and it also hides that line of demarcation with your foundation, which that's a plus. So yeah, there's a difference. So a lot of people be like, why did she just bronze when you just contoured? What is the difference? There's a difference. I should probably do like a dedicated video for that. If you guys want me to, let me know in the comment section. But there's a huge difference. So now I'm gonna grab my blush, and this is the Laura Mercier blush. Oh my gosh, period, honey. Let them know, Esther. Let them know, okay? So I just used that one to, you know, give myself a little bit of blush, and that is in the shade Grapefruit, and it will be in the description box. So now I'm gonna grab eyeshadow, and this is the OPV Spotlight eyeshadow palette. Oh, beautiful palette. I'm gonna grab that light brown eyeshadow and just work that into my crease as a transition shade. This is going to warm up my crease for all the other shades I'm going to be using, and I'm loving this palette. I need to play with more OPV eyeshadow palettes. They're very pigment, they're blendable, and they're just amazing, okay? OPV is a London makeup brand, okay? So if you haven't heard of them, they're known, okay? They're pretty known, and they're amazing. So I'm going to also use that chocolate brown eyeshadow and just work that a little bit lower into my crease and just blend that all in. All the brushes that I use will be in the description box as well, and I will make sure I put the link to it to help you guys out, make it easier for y'all too, so y'all can check it out. And usually majority of the brushes I use is always from Morphe, okay, or Zoeva. Those are like my two places. So I'm going to also put that brown eyeshadow underneath my water lash line like so, smoke that bad boy out. And I'm also going to blend everything in so then we don't have any harsh lines. So everything just looks very, you know, seamless and blended and amazing. So for eyes, I used so many eyeshadows, you guys. Very unnecessary, but I was really kind of shocked of how this look turned out. So I grabbed this MAC Pigment eyeshadow, and this is in Pretty It Up. Y'all, I bought this eyeshadow like in 2015, okay? And I'm finally playing with it. And I'm also going to grab my Morphe Hit the Lights eyeshadow palette because I was like kind of thrown off of how that base eyeshadow looked. It was just kind of messy, okay, but I had to come back to life with it because I was kind of shocked with that first eyeshadow. I thought it's going to appear a lot more brighter than a darker because I swatched it on my hand. I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. It's gonna, you know, y'all know. So now I'm gonna grab this MAC Pigment. Well, this is the glitter. Oh, love it. It's called Gold because that other eyeshadow from Morphe was not so like all up in your face. And you guys know I'm extra with the eyeshadows. I had to add the other gold eyeshadow on top of that to make it pop even more. And girl, woo! I am so glad I did that. I'm so glad because look at that look. Look at that look. Because I still wanted this look to kind of be smoked out a little bit more, I added a little bit of black on the outer corner of my eye and brought it in a little bit more with a little bit of a slimmer pencil brush, and I just blended everything all in. Y'all, this look was fire. I don't care. I don't care what anybody tells me. It was bomb, okay? I did that. This is exactly how I wanted this look to turn out, and I'm glad it turned out how I wanted it to turn out because this is a bomb New Year's look, okay? I wish I did this, like I created this look for you guys, you know, before New Year so y'all could recreate it, but I had so much going on, you guys, so you guys got this look today, okay? And the day before New Year's, that's when I actually recorded. So for lashes, I am grabbing my Koko lashes in the style Stella and popping them bad boys on, and girl, look, lashes can take your look from 0 to 100 real quick. Don't ever judge a look until you pop your lashes on, sis, okay? I promise y'all, don't do it. So I'm gonna also grab that little gold eyeshadow and pop that in the corner of my eyes, you guys, and this is it for the eyes. Love it. So for highlight, it's been a minute since I grabbed my Juvia's Place highlight. Your girl had put that down for a minute, but girl, it is back and popping. And this is the Royalty 2 by Juvia's Place, and this highlight is bomb. Oh my gosh. Highlight. Yo, yes, period. So for lips, I am grabbing my ColourPop Lippy, and this is the collaboration with Makeup Shayla. I don't know which shade this is, okay? I'm gonna find out and put it in the description box, but I'm just gonna outline my lips like so with that beautiful lip liner, and I'm grabbing 2 lip glosses for today. I'm grabbing Juvia's Place X Fumi lip gloss in the shade Royalty, and I'm also gonna top that off with this MAC lip gloss in the shade Goldylocks. Love this gloss. I actually got this at TJ Maxx, so you know it was on the low, okay? So I'm gonna set everything all in with this Wet n Wild setting spray, and y'all, this is it for this glam period, okay? Please recreate this look, even if you're not going nowhere. Girl, just play with some makeup, okay? I love you guys so much, and I'll pen to Sana. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!